So this is another video about a mistake that I've made that I'm bringing to you, so hopefully you can learn from it, because this one was a painful mistake. So this is my little tool bag. Most of my little go-to bars and rods are in here. And is there anything that jumps out to you that could cause me a potential problem? So that was my mistake, and it was a painful one. It did draw blood from my leg.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Nobody! Well, at least that wasn't weird.
So that was the mistake that I made. Now the clue is in the name. It is a sharp tip tool, so of course it's going to be sharp. So completely my fault, not the tool's fault, though I'd like to blame somebody else. But that sharp tip ripped through my little bag in no time at all, and picking it up out of my van to go to my job, it just caught me right in the leg, just enough. Thankfully not put me out of action, and thankfully it was my leg, because the alternative or potential when you're walking around with your tool bag, particularly on car lots going between cars, if that sharp tip was to drag down the side of the car, you would not be fixing that with paintless dent removal. So do be careful with these little sharp tips. Brilliant tools for removing dents out of little panels, but also brilliant tools for cutting it into your skin. So completely my fault. It's hopefully a lesson I've learned, but there's every chance I'll probably do it again. But also, if you're working in a workshop, you keep your tools in a toolbox, not really an issue. When you're using a little canvas, little tool bag like that for doing kind of route work, or yeah, just going out and about in your jobs, it's very easy, just to a bit of movement and it will just rip straight through that bag. So do take care, one, for your own well-being, but also the last thing you want to do is effectively key damage down the side of a car when you're only there to fix a tiny little dent. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully just a little mistake, probably make you laugh. But that's it. So I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online. Thank you for watching.